So if you want to learn any ERP, it is not only Microsoft Dynamics, any ERP, if you want to learn, you need to understand or you need to imagine you are running a business. You are already running a business. So that business, any business, it will be one is purchase, another one is sales. So this purchase process and sales process, you need to understand very clearly. So this purchase process and sales process, you are going to learn in the entire course content. So one is procurement process, another one is sales process. To do these things, we need inventory also, inventory related, item related topics also. And then you need to understand master planning. Okay, so yesterday we understood about purchase order process. We understood about purchase order process. Today we are going to understand about sales order process. Today we are going to understand about sales order process. So I'm taking duplicate. So sales order process means here. Yeah. Can anyone help me? Like if anyone is joining, please allow them. Okay, fine. Sales order creation. Sales order creation. Sales order confirmation. Packing slip. And then invoice to customer. Invoice to customer. So yesterday we learned about purchase order process. In the purchase order process, purchase order creation, purchase order confirmation, then product receipt and vendor invoice. The same manner here also, sales order creation, sales order confirmation, packing slip and customer invoice. Okay, here the purchase order confirmation is mandatory. This is mandatory. It is must. You need to do it. Whereas here it is not mandatory. Sales order confirmation is not mandatory. In the purchase order here during confirmation, that means vendor has confirmed they are going to deliver material to our company. Here in the sales order confirmation, it will validate credit limit. It will validate credit limit or credit management. So using this credit management function, credit limit will be validated. Actually, this credit limit validation or credit limit functionality is part of finance. It is a part of finance, but you need to understand. So I'm writing down as a pending point, credit limit. What is this credit limit or credit management? Okay, these all are finance topics. Whatever I have written here, all these points are finance topics. But I will discuss with you also, because these are intersection between finance and SCM. So you are learning this module, but there is an overlap between finance and SCM. So that is the reason, even though these are finance topics, you are going to learn these topics in November first week or second week. During November first week or second week, during these weeks, I will combine both batches and I will teach you. Okay, so at that time, you are going to join from morning 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. 6 a.m. to 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. you are going to join. All these topics we'll discuss. Fine. Now, coming to our session, sales order creation means customer organization informed to our company. inform to our company what are the items required. And I told you sales order confirmation it will validate the credit limit. So what is that credit limit, how it works, everything we'll discuss in future. Packing slip means warehouse department, they will deliver the material to the customer. Okay, this will be activated. This will be done by warehouse department. Now, sales order process will be done by sales and the marketing department. This will be done by sales and marketing department. This will be done by warehouse department. Later, accounts receivable clerk. Accounts receivable clerk from finance team. They will execute invoice. So sales order creation, sales order confirmation will be done by sales and marketing department. Packing slip will be done by warehouse department. Accounts receivable clerk or finance team, they will execute invoice. They will generate invoice and they will arrange invoice to the customer. This packing slip is also called delivery challan, DC, or delivery order, DO, or issue, or delivery note. So all these are synonyms. Packing slip is also called delivery challan, DC, or delivery order, DO, or delivery note, or issue. These are synonyms. So if you do like this, what happens? Our on-hand inventory will be decreased. The physical inventory will be decreased. And invoice to customer means financial postings or accounting entries. Accounting entries will be updated. This is about sales order process. Okay, fine. I'll show you in the system. If you have any questions, we'll discuss. Okay, do you have any questions now about this process? So before that, there is one more, like prospect. Next, opportunity, lead or prospect, opportunity, sales quotation. These are also available, but we'll discuss these points later, not now. These are also. Next, there is a process called here picking process. This picking process you will understand later, not now. And here also registration process is there. Registration process. This you will understand later. Registration process done by warehouse department. Here picking process. This will be done by warehouse department. That process I will discuss with you later. Fine. Let me show you in the system. And if you have any questions, we'll discuss. Let me show you in the system. So you need to click on any browser. And then you need to have the link, the browser. You need to open any browser and you can have the web link and username and password. Using username and password, it will be opened the application. Once it is opened, then it will go to automatically DAT company. DAT company. There are many companies here. Microsoft has given sample data. This was provided by Microsoft, sample data. Now, For practicing purpose, try to use USMF company. USMF company. Okay. That is the reason I have written here in the diagram. You are working for a project. If you are working in a software company, you are going to work for a project. That project for you, an employee, it is project. For this company, it is called client. Okay, so this software company has a client. The client name is USMF. So that's what we are doing now. This is USMF company. So your company name is USMF company. Now, sales and marketing. Sales and marketing. Sales orders. All sales orders. So I'm taking duplicate. So in this, I'm opening from product information management. Product information management. Products. Released products. Okay, you can open this item. Okay, yesterday my application is refreshed, so there will be very few data only available. Yesterday, whatever it is there, it is not available here, not fully. Look at this one, the screens. Okay, here earlier there are so many companies created by me, like B130, B140 all. Now it is not; those are not there because this application I have refreshed yesterday with a fresh new. Okay, so now the items, item 1000 in this manage inventory tab, manage inventory tab, view area page, on hand inventory button. Here in the warehouse 13, we have stock physical inventory 410. Now I'm creating a new sales order. Click on new. Select the customer. Before this one, yesterday it is showing the path. Now it is not displaying. Okay, so for that, what we have to do? System administration. I'll write down the path. Setup. Client performance options. Here, enable legacy navigation bar. Enable legacy navigation bar. Then click OK. Now, if you go to sales and marketing, sales orders, all sales orders. Now it will show you the path. Give me a second. I refreshed the browser, complete browser. Now it is okay. So to display this one, this bar, like this address bar, to display this address bar, you need to go to system administration, client performance options. Let me write down that one because you are not sure about that one. I'm writing down, duplicate. To display path. So system administration, setup, client performance options. Okay. Client performance options. Enable this checkbox. Enable legacy navigation bar checkbox. Okay. If you enable this checkbox, then what happens? Automatically, the path will be displayed here. Let me show you now. Sales and marketing. Sales orders, all sales orders. Here it will show you. So let me write down this path. In this one, sales and marketing, sales orders, all sales orders. Okay, thank you. Fine. Now we are clicking on new button. So here the first one will be showing DE001. So don't select DE001. I'm saying don't select DE001. Why? I will explain you later. This is intercompany stock transfer. In this DE001, intercompany stock transfer setups are existing. So you don't know what is intercompany. What is the setups? You don't know. If you are trying with this DE001, you will get so many errors. That why you are getting errors, you don't know. You will confuse a lot. So please don't select DE001. If you select, you will get kind of errors and you cannot proceed. You can ignore that one. Select any other than customer, any customer other than DE001. So I'm selecting this customer. Any customer is fine, except DE001. Select warehouse. Click OK. So select the item number 1000. I'm selecting 1000. Okay. Suppose 2 quantity. I'm done. Okay. Now I'm getting 2 different types of error messages. I'm going to show you. Okay. Now I have entered. Once it is sales order is created, if you go to on hand inventory, yesterday we saw ordered in total. Here it is updating yesterday. For purchase order, it is showing here. Now, if you are doing for sales order, it will update here on order. It will update on order. Let me show you. Refresh. It will show you on order. Okay. Now, next step, confirmation. It is not mandatory. Yes, if you want, you can do it. It is optional. I'm doing confirmation. So during confirmation, it will validate credit limits. Okay, fine. Now it is, there is no error. It is validated. Credit limit is validated. Now I'm doing packing slip. So post packing slip. So this is post packing slip. Post packing slip. So I'm clicking OK. I'm getting error message. So this is a information, not a error message. It is a warning or information. I'm proceeding. I will explain you what is that. But now I am getting error message. So here it is showing posting sales order, no lines for posting, quantity is equal to 0. What do you mean by this one? Here, whenever you are doing packing slip, post packing slip, you are trying to use picking process. Okay, I told you this picking process you will learn later. You will learn later, not now. So we should not use pick, we should use all. Okay, if you select all, then the lines are displaying here. In the lines, it is showing line. If it is selecting picked, then here it is not showing lines and it is showing escalation mark. Okay, so I'm selecting all. If you select all, it is displaying the details. Fine. Now lines are displaying. I'm clicking OK. What is this message? I will explain you. I'm proceeding with OK. I will explain you. Now I'm getting another error message. Another error message. So what is this error message? The order was not sent to credit limit. Okay, this is information, the credit limit information you can ignore now. 2 cannot be picked. 2 cannot be picked because only 0 quantity available. Only 0 quantity available for this item 1000. What do you mean? Site 1 warehouse 11. If you verify in the site 1 warehouse 11, we don't have stock. So you cannot deliver the material. Now, how can I deliver? Material is available in 13 warehouse. So you need to change to 13 warehouse. We understand the error messages. Now change this one to 13 warehouse. Okay, now if you refresh, it will show you in 13 warehouse, it is showing on order. On order means we are going to deliver this material. Now I'm doing post packing slip. Okay, now we have selected all. The lines are displaying. What is these options? I will explain you later. You are going to learn in the detailed sessions. Okay, next coming sessions you are going to learn. Now you have selected all. So 2 quantity. Click OK. Now let us understand this message. You are about to post the document without printing it. Select OK to continue. Actually, sales process means this is sales process. You need to provide, you are going to provide the information. You are going to provide the information to your customer. You are delivering material to customer. Whenever you are delivering material to the customer, you need to take a printout. You need to take a printout. Okay. Just give me 1 minute, please. Someone is pinging me. So in the sales process, always you need to take a printout for packing slip, that is delivery document, and invoice document also you need to generate, and you need to arrange the document to your customer. In the purchase process, vendor will arrange invoice printout. Vendor will arrange dispatch document and packing slip. That is vendor dispatch document and invoice. Here in the customer process, sales order process, you need to arrange the like a delivery document number to customer and invoice document also to the customer. That is the reason it is giving warning message. You are not connected to any printer and you are not printing. Okay, even if I enable print checkbox, it will show you you have connected with the screen only, you are not connecting. So this message is keep on displaying during sales process. You can ignore and you can click OK. But in real time scenario, you will have a printer connection. Your client will have a printer connection. Whenever they are posting packing slip, they will take a printout. That's what it is giving warning message. It's a information. Okay, it is more about information. So you need to click OK and proceed, because for practicing purpose, I don't want any printing of this document. I'm proceeding. If you do packing slip, what happens? The physical inventory will be decreased. Earlier 410. Now if I refresh screen, it will become 408. This will become 408. So physical inventory will be decreased. So the second step we have done. Of course, picking process I'll discuss with you later. Now the last step, invoicing. So this is from sales and marketing. Okay. The finance team, accounts receivable clerk, what they will do, they will open from the orders, sales orders, and they will open, it is already delivered by like warehouse department. They will open this one. Someone joined. Okay, thank you. So now finance team, they will go to invoice tab, generate area page, invoice button. And here it is packing slip, the drop down. Okay, we'll discuss these all points. You need to make sure the line details are displaying or not displaying. Click OK. Once again, it is a information. It is saying you are about to post the document without printing. Okay, select OK to continue, because in real time scenario, I need to have a printer connection. I need to take printout. Yesterday, I told you 3 printouts. Invoice printout in 3 colors. One for our filing purpose, our company filing purpose, one copy to the customer, one copy for the transport. So 3 copies will be delivered, generated. That's what it is saying. So I don't want at present, for practicing purpose not required, I'm proceeding. Click OK. So once packing invoice is completed, the accounting entries. I told you the financial postings or accounting entries will be updated. Now here we can go to invoice, journals, invoice. The voucher or voucher. How you want to pronounce, you can pronounce voucher or voucher. So what is debit and what is credit will be posted by finance team. So this is finance topic. It is not relevant for you. Little bit you will understand later, not fully, but this will be discussed a lot in finance team. But I will discuss with you little bit in the combined session about this one, but not fully. So at the time of customer invoice, the postings will be updated. Clear? Any questions, please? I will show you one more time the process, sales order process. Before that, anyone have any questions? Anyone have any questions?
Satya sir.
No questions.
Hello.
Yeah,
Satya
yes,
sir.
please speak up. Yeah.
So Satya sir, from how many places we can create a sales order? One is from quotation, another one is direct. Is there anything where directly from prospect or
Okay.
any?
So actually in finance, I will discuss invoicing. That is a finance topic. Sales order will be created from free text invoice. Sorry, so like customer invoices will be done in different ways. These are the customer invoices. Okay, now you are asking about
Sales order.
like sales order to invoice. Okay, then it is the only one option is lead to opportunity, opportunity to sales quotation to sales order. Otherwise, from lead you can create sales order, or from opportunity you can create a sales order. Okay, not sorry, lead to sales quotation or opportunity to quotation. Those things I will discuss with you in future. What are the different ways? From these are the other options. It is this is more about marketing strategy. This is more about marketing strategy. So this marketing we'll discuss later. Now we are focusing on sales. Okay, from lead to opportunity, opportunity to sales quotation to sales order we can create, or lead to sales quotation to sales order, or opportunity to sales quotation. From there we can create sales order. That is the process. Okay, those things we'll discuss later. This I'm not discussing these points at present. Okay. So at that time, if you have any questions, we'll discuss. I will discuss these points later. Fine. Any more questions related to this sales order to invoice process? Okay. Let me show you. If no questions, let me show you once again. But customer invoice can be generated in these ways. Customer invoices. One is FedEx invoice. One is sales order to invoice. Another one is using advanced warehouse management, using transportation management, and PMA. These things also available. These are invoice to customer. These are invoice to customer. Let me go back to our session. Fine. Let me go back. I'll show you quickly one more time. Sales order to invoice. Sales and marketing. Sales and marketing. Sales orders, all sales orders. Click on new. Select the customer. As I told you, don't select DE001. Select any other customer other than this one. I'm selecting this one. And here, if you select warehouse 11, we don't have stock. So I'm selecting warehouse 13. I'm selecting warehouse 13 because the stock is available or the physical inventory is available in warehouse 13. So I have selected warehouse 13. Click OK.
Can we
select the item
on this page, sir?
Sorry.
Can we see the stock on this page?
Yeah, here we can click on inventory. Okay, on hand inventory. Okay, you can click on overview. It will show you like this. Got it? This is open from here, inventory, on hand inventory. Clear? You can click on display dimensions and you can select warehouse enable, save warehouse. It will show you warehouse wise. And if you want total, you can click on overview. The screen will be like this one. Same screen it is coming here. Fine. Now I'm entering here, suppose quantity 2 or quantity 3. Once it is entered, you can see here, it is updating here on order. It is showing on order. Now, confirmation is not mandatory. Confirm sales order or confirm now, both are same. It is not mandatory, but it will validate credit limit. So I'm doing confirm now. Fine. So it was not sent credit limit. It was not sent to credit management. The order was not sent to credit management. What is this? We'll discuss later. Fine. Now, next step is post packing slip. So click OK. So here you need to select all. Remember, you need to select all because you don't know remaining what are these options. We'll discuss these points. Here it is showing the line details. Click OK. It will always in the sales process, it will give you warning message. Take a printout, take a printout, take a printout. It is suggesting you take a printout. So for practice and purpose, I don't want. Okay. That means now 3 quantity delivered to the customer. 3 quantity delivered to the customer. So now the physical inventory will become 408 minus 3. It is 405. 405. Next, invoice, generate invoice button. So click OK. Click OK. Then accounting entries will be displayed here. This is the accounting entries. So we understood now sales order process. Yesterday I have explained about purchase order process. Today we understood about sales order process. So in this is scenario this is scenario 1. It is sales order creation, sales order confirmation, packing slip, and invoice to customer. Okay. Now to do all these things, like if you want to practice purchase order process, sales order process, then what are the requirements? What are the setups required? The first one is masters. What are the masters required to do all these things? One is vendor account, customer account, and then item master. Okay, so whenever you are doing sales order or purchase order here, if you are doing purchase order, you are selecting vendor. If you are doing sales order, you are selecting customer. If you are doing here, if you are doing sales order, you are selecting customer account. If it is a purchase order, you are selecting vendor account. So this vendor account and customer account are masters. Now, once it is done, you are selecting item. Okay, so you need to understand item master. This one, released product. You need to understand released product. Okay, so released product or item. This one. So in the system, we have 4 words: product, product master, released product, item master. Where are these 4? Let me show you. So product information management, products. Give me a second. Let me, it is taking some time. It should not be. Okay, these are products. Next, product masters is different. And released products, it is different. And item, whenever you are doing sales order, it is item number. So at present, all these are same for you. These all are same for you. But there is a difference. There is a difference. Okay, what is the difference between product, product master, release product, and item master, item number? I will discuss with you mostly next week. You are going to understand these things. The differences between these words. Okay, the difference between product, product master, release product, and item number. We'll discuss this point later. Fine. Now we are going to discuss about item number. Item number or item master. Item master or item number, both are same. So for this, give me a second. If you want to create an item master, we need storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group, item group, item model group, purchase unit, inventory unit, sales unit. All these are mandatory. All these are required. These are prerequisites if you want an item master. Storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group, item group, item model group, purchase unit, inventory unit, sales unit. So storage dimension group means site, warehouse, location, inventory status, license plate. Storage dimension group means site, warehouse, location, inventory status, license plate. Tracking dimension group means batch number, serial number, owner. Batch number, serial number, owner. Product dimension group means color, size, style, configuration, version. All these things you need to understand. So storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group, item group, item model group, purchase unit, inventory unit, sales unit. And then sales price, purchase price, inventory price, system calculated cost price. So this diagram you need to remember forever. You need to remember forever. This is very, very important. So without this you cannot clear the interview. If you are attending the interview, this is mandatory question. What are the prerequisites if you want to create an item master? Storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group, item group, item model group, purchase unit, inventory unit, sales unit. All these are required. Now, these all are called inventory dimensions. This is storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group, all these are called inventory dimensions. Inventory dimensions are classified into three parts: storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group. In that, this is. So site means here, warehouse means, example warehouse means, in Hyderabad, I have one warehouse is in Dilsukh Nagar, another warehouse is in Patancheru. So I can consider Hyderabad is site, and in that one warehouse is in Dilsukh Nagar warehouse, and Patancheru warehouse. If I have another one more warehouse like Chanda Nagar, I can create. So site and warehouse. Location, inventory status, license plate. These three parts are discussed a lot in this advanced warehouse management. In this advanced warehouse management, I'll discuss a lot, but I will explain you some high level picture overview about this one in November first week or second week. In November second week, you are going to understand about what is this module, high level picture, high level overview. At that time, I'll discuss with you about location, inventory status, license plate. These three I'll discuss with you high level picture. But if you want to understand this advanced warehouse management, transportation management, landed cost, and advanced inventory management, this is a separate course. Okay, high level overview I will give you. At that time, you will understand these three. At present, you understood site and warehouse. Next, tracking dimension group. Tracking dimension group will have batch number, serial number, owner. So what do you mean by batch number? What do you mean by batch number? So if you look at this oil packet, they have barcode. Okay, so if you look at this one, barcode is there. That is batch number. Now, what is serial number? This is also barcode, but laptops. Laptop will have barcode. This is serial number. So what is the difference between these two? This is also barcode. This is also barcode. Then what is the difference between these two? Why this is called as barcode as a batch number? Why they are calling it as serial number? Here, this one, suppose you picked 4-liter packets. 1-liter packets, 4 packets you have picked. Then all these 4 packets may have same barcode. It may have same barcode. It may be, may not be, but majority times you will have same barcode. That means multiple quantity will have same barcode. That is batch number. Now serial number. Pick any 2 laptops. Same laptop, Dell laptop or HP laptop or Lenovo laptop, any laptops. Pick 2 laptops. These 2 laptops will have different serial number. That means each and every piece will have different number. That is serial number. So mobiles, washing machines, laptops, air conditioners, all these electronic items, they will have, each item will have different serial number, that is serial number. Okay, batch number and serial number. Now, what is this owner? Owner means it is a consignment stock. Consignment stock. That consignment stock functionality is related to retail and one more manufacturing. So in the manufacturing process and retail process, POS and retail, in this process, this will be used owner dimension that is called consignment stock. That consignment stock related functionality I will discuss with you in future, but that is not in our scope. That is related to retail and POS or manufacturing process. Fine. Now, so we understood about these things. High level picture only I'm teaching. Okay, it is high level overview you are learning. In detail, we'll learn in the coming sessions. Next, product dimension group. Color, you know, blue color, black color, red color, white color. Size, you know, small, medium, large. 40 size, 42 size, XL, double XL. You know those sizes. Style, like collar, round neck, sleeveless, full hands, off hands, those things. Configuration is, it is a big subject. Configuration. Suppose I'm saying example here, configuration. Suppose you are planning to purchase bike. Then what you will do? You will go to one showroom and you will purchase a bike. If you are planning to purchase a car, you will go to one showroom and you will go to one showroom and you will purchase car. Now, if it is escalators, can you go to any showroom and you can purchase? Can you purchase these escalators? Can you purchase any? Can you go to any showroom and can you purchase escalators? Is it possible?
No, sir.
No. So otherwise, lift. This lifts. Can you go to any showroom and can you purchase this one?
No.
No. What you will do? You will go to manufacturing company and you will ask, configure one lift for my building, for my apartment. So they will construct based on your requirement. How much width is required, how much length is required, how much height is required, and where should be this should be different, and where should be buttons should be placed. All these things will be discussed with you, and they will construct one lift as per your requirement. That is configuration. It is configuring as per your requirement. Next, version. Version is recently introduced by Microsoft, and that is in the engineering change management. Engineering change management. In this module, you are going to understand version. Okay, this is a new module, engineering change management. So I'm going to teach you this one also in the last engineering change management. There we can use version. Okay, so you understood now overview about this inventory dimensions, about storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group. Next, purchase price, sales price, inventory price, cost price. Now I want to discuss these points. Purchase price, you know, at the time of purchase, whatever the price is there, that is purchase price. Sales price, at the time of sales order, whatever the price is there, that is sales price. Now, inventory price, not inventory price. So, okay, inventory price. What do you mean by inventory price? Means here for inventory transactions or inventory journals. inventory journals, or inventory transactions. So what do you mean by inventory journals, inventory transactions? You will understand later, not now. Okay. At that time, it will be used inventory price. What is this? I will discuss with you in future, in the coming sessions. Now, cost price. What is cost price? Here it is there. System calculated cost price. What is this system calculated cost price? Any idea? Anyone? Yes.
As per the this one, different model groups like FIFO system will calculate the average price of the product item and propose some price. That is a
okay. Perfect. But still, it is not catchy to everyone. Am I right? Can you try to elaborate those whatever you are saying? Whatever you said, it is correct, but it should not be. It is not catchy to everyone. Am I right? So can you give any more, little bit more? So let me write down purchase price plus charges minus discount plus maybe may not be taxes. Of course, this will be calculated based on the model group, whatever like Deepak said, Deepak Tiwari said, the same, it is correct. So cost price is equal to purchase price plus charges. Here charges means maintain charges. This maintain charges means transportation charges, loading, unloading charges, insurance charges. There are many charges. Okay, purchase price plus maintain charges minus discount and plus maybe taxes, may not be taxes. And this will be calculated based on the model group, whether it is a FIFO model or LIFO model or weighted average, moving average, standard cost, different methods are there. Those methods we'll discuss definitely in coming sessions. This is cost price. Okay, fine. Any questions before wind up this session? Any questions? No questions. So we will deep dive on this more related to item master because you need to understand item master. That's why I told you here purchase price, purchase process, sales process, and inventory management and master planning. These are the four major parts you are learning in the entire session. Yes, please. Someone is raising hand.
Sir, I would like to know, like procure to pay process in order to catch budget. Are we going to cover return processes also?
Yeah, purchase returns, sales returns also I need to cover. Definitely is a part of the session. There are many things. Okay, 9 to 10 weeks. The session will be 9 to 10 weeks. There are many things you are going to learn. Okay, fine. I'm stopping here now. We'll connect once again tomorrow morning, same time, 6 AM IST. Okay, see you all. Bye-bye.